We have several wild holly trees with nice red berries for the birds. Also, we have one holly with only some small white flowers on it. Why have we never seen any berries on this holly? This is Joan and Dan on YouTube. So berries are one, just white flowers on the other.
Yes.
Why is that, we think?
Well, because one's male and one's female.
That's right.
The females are the ones with the red berries. The male's the one that has the flowers that didn't, and everybody thinks, well, flowers, and it doesn't have berries, it doesn't make sense. But think about squash. Squash has male flowers and female flowers. And that's why we get a lot of questions sometimes saying, my squash is blooming, but I'm not getting any squash from it. Well, what's probably blooming is the male flowers.
Yeah, first.
So, so it's true of the whole plant world.
Right.
So there's male and female. So I would assume the one that doesn't get berries is the male.
It's the male. Yeah. There's a term that comes to mind, dioecious.
Yes.
Yeah. Female and male flowers on separate plants.
On separate plants.
All right. One of the first words I learned in botany. How about that? Yeah, dioecious. So so that's why you see the red berries on one, female, no berries on the other one.
The male.
The male. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.